Good morning, guys. This is day 7 of the demolition. As we have come to the roof, you can see the store and the bathroom is gone, and the wall on the right side has been taken off. So is the boundary for the shaft, and there was a little temporary roof that has also been taken off. We can see a lot of progress for today. This used to be 2 big rooms on the roof. They are gone. They are trying to clear the rubble today, and then probably in a day or two, I think they will take out the whole steel from this. See, they are collecting all the steel from here. Probably this steel they have collected from the roof of the store and the bathroom. Same way they'll collect the steel from all other places on the 2nd floor, and then all the rubble will come down. Similarly, they'll move to the 1st floor. See how they are clearing up the rubble. See, there is this guy, Mr. Don. हाँ भाई, क्या हाल है? ठीक है? तुम काम कर लिया क्या? अभी तुम्हारा बारी आएगा? तभी आएगा अभी बारी? तुम्हारा तोड़ाई का बारी है कि मलबा उठाई का बारी है? अच्छा. And today they have also cleared little bit the front entrance gate so that you can move in. When I'll go down, I'll show you how that is. Probably in a day or two, the disconnection for the electricity will get approved, and then we'll replace the domestic meters with the commercial temporary one. See this temporary acrylic roofing they have taken off. This one. See, this truck has been parked outside the premises. This is kind of dump truck to take all the rubble out round by round. It will clear the spot, will make it flat.